students, today we are discussing 6th chapter ascending order or increasing order. Ascending order or increasing order. Let's see the first one. Ascending order or increasing order, that means smallest to biggest number. For example, we are changing the classes one by one. First class, next second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. Okay, that is increasing. That is increasing the classes. Like that. See, you take these numbers and write smallest number to biggest number. Take these numbers and write smallest number to biggest number. First, see left side first numbers. What are the left side first number here? 4, 5, 9, 4 and 1. Which is a small number? 110 is a small number. So circle. The next one. 110 after. Which is small. Here we have 2 4s. This one 4 and this one also 4. That's why take these two numbers and check the second digit. And that means left side second digit. What is the digit? Here 8. Here 7. Which is a smaller? 7 is smaller. That's why 2 and circle. The next one is 3. Circle. See here 5 and 9. The first digits are 5 and 9. Which is smaller? 5. So fourth one. Circle. 5. Circle. So write from 1 to 5 numbers. Write down the first number, the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Understood, children? 110, 470, 484, 532, 936. Let's take a second sum. The first number is 932, 246, 836, 437, 645. Let's see second sum. 932, 246, 836, 437, 645. Let's take left side first digits. Check it. Which is a small digit first? 2 is a small digit. Give 1. And next one is 4. Give 2. And the next one 9, 8, 6. Which is smaller? 6. Give it 3. And 9, 8. Here 4. And here 5. Let's write the 1 to 5 numbers. 246. And the second one is 437. Third one is 645. Fourth one is 836. Fifth one is 932. Is it clear all of you? Come to the next sum. See here, what are the numbers? 300, 250, 760, 800. 340. Let's see here left side first digit numbers. Check it. 3, 2, 7, 8, 3. Which is the smallest number here? 2 is the smallest number. That's why give 1. And see 3, 7, 8, 3. Which is the smaller? 3 is the smaller. But here we have 2 different numbers in 3 digits. Okay, that's why take this number and this number and check left side second number. That means left side second digit. Here 0 and here 4. Which is smaller? This is smaller. That's why give 2 here and give 3 here. Okay, let's check 7 and 8. Which is smaller? 7 is smaller. Give 4. And see here, this is 8. Fifth one. So from 1 to 5, write down. 250, 300, third one is 340, 4 is 760, understood children? This is ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest number. Smallest number to biggest number. Remember this point and write on the class. See all of you, descending order or decreasing order. Descending order or decreasing. Decreasing means in the summer season the water levels will be decreased in the lakes or rivers. Okay. So decreasing means bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number. Let's come to this one. 641, 736. 682, 478. Check the left side first digit. Left side first digits are 76764, which is a big number. This is big number because the 7 is a big number. Let's see. 6, 6, 4. We have 3 numbers. Here we have 2 are same. That's why take a second digit, that is 4 and 8. Which is big? This one is big, circle. And 4. The last one is 478. Okay, now left side first digit is big and second this one. 8 is a big number, next 4 is a big number, last 4 first is 3. See, which is first? 736 is first. Next 682. Next 641, 478. And here also see the number first. 284, 246, 344, 694. And check the left side first digits. 2, 2, 3, 6. Which is a big number? Here, which is a big number? 6 is a big number. That's why give up a number 1. And 2, 2, 3. Which is second number, big number? 3. Give 2. Next 2, 2. So in these cases, 2 are same in first digit. That's why check the second digit. Here 8, here 4. So which is big? This one is big. And the last one is 246. Take a 694. Next 344. Next 284. Next 246. Next this is 748, 784, 780, 628. Which is a big number? 7. First digit. Check the first digit. These 3 are the 7s. This is 6. 7 is a big number, right? But in this 7, we have 3 different numbers. Okay? That's why check the second number. Here 4 and 2 8s are there. That's why which is big? 4 or 8? 8 is a big number. In these 2 cases, we have in second place 8. That's why take a third place. Here 4, here 0. So which is big? 4 is big. That's why keep 1 here. 0 is second. And the last 7 digit number is this number. That is 3. 748. And the last one is 628. Let's see. The first number 784, 748, 780. Next 748. Next 628. I hope you understand, children. All of you note down once. The next topic is successor number, predecessor number. Successor numbers and predecessor numbers. Successor number means is nothing but an after number. Okay, it is the after number. The number comes after the number. The number comes after the number. Comes just after the number. The number comes just after the number is called successor number. Successor number. That means nothing but a after number. Here see the number comes just before number. Before number is called predecessor number. Okay, come to the sum. 457 after or 457 plus 1. We should add 1's place in 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. This is 5 and this is 4. What is the number? 558. Write down 558. Is nothing but a after number also. Okay. Successor number means you should add in 1's place 1. Okay. Let's take this number 849 and add plus 1 in 1's place. Add 1 in 1's place. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10. Write 0 here and 1 is carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is 8. 850. 850. Is it clear? Let's see this one. 283. Add in 1's place. 3 down 1. Okay. 3 plus 1 is 4. 8. 2. The answer is 284. I hope you understood this successor numbers, children. Okay. Let's come to this dash of before number. This is dash 572. This is a before number. See the definition once. The number comes just before number is called predecessor number. The number comes just before the number is called the predecessor number. Let's take the number first. 572 minus 1. It subtract 1 in 1's place. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 and 5. What is the answer? 571. Understood, children? Come to the second one. Dash 726. So take the number 726 and subtract 1 in 1's place. Subtract 1 in 1's place. Let's subtract it. How much? 6 minus 1 is 5. 2. 7. 725. Write down 725. 725 is before number of 726. Is it right? So let's come to the third one. 266 minus subtract 1 in 1's place. Okay. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6. 2. 265. Understood, children? I hope you understood today's class. Everyone should write down these sums and practice these type of sums